Say what?
I know you've got your little phone recorder at that. I think that's great. Please don't put it in my face.
Okay.
I see you at home. You know.
What do you?
People I've ever met.
Why are you talking to me?
I
mean, you guys are the same people that try to break into rooms and steal shit.
I'm one of the most female people for your age I've ever seen. I feel very sorry and grateful for it.
Yeah?
A man who inherited something that could do anything in his life, yet you choose to sit around here and harass people who are trying to move out and take care of their own life.
Well, move out.
That's not good enough for you.
Get out.
We are moving.
Okay.
Dumb fuck.
Why don't you move right now? You guys gonna go? I mean, it's just that simple. Get out of the house. Take your shit. Oh wow, that's police one right there. Look at that. Yeah. Hey Chris.